Hello, welcome to Creativity Bay. My name is Payal and I am an artist. I like to create art using a step-by-step process. This makes the process simple and easy to understand. My artwork is meant for any age group who loves to paint. I have created this artwork using warm colors of yellow, orange, red and combinations of these colors. It's a bright and vibrant painting that I have created for tutorial purpose. It is very easy to follow as it is broken down into a step-by-step process. I have used acrylic paint, but it's your choice if you want to use oil or watercolor. Hope you will give it a try. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy my video. Have a great rest of the day. So those are all my steps to creating a warm color landscape. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, please give this a thumbs up and leave a comment below. To watch more videos like this, please consider subscribing. That way you will get a notification anytime new videos like this come out. Thank you and have a great rest of the day. Bye bye.